What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ATER for Aterian Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, is more of an update. We cover this one regularly on the channel now, and the main thing to discuss is kind of echoing the sentiment of yesterday's video. The second time we come into a support trendline touch like this, after failing to really materialize on the bounce higher, you want to be a little bit more skeptical. You're not buying the support trendline this time around. You're really waiting to get more of a structural break to the upside, which we know is going to come from the breakout up and over this 1120 mark to get into the next upside target at 1328 and then subsequently up there at 1616. So please just be careful. Again, I wouldn't really be trying to time the bottom at the support trend line here, given the fact that, again, we got to bounce off of it once. That was sort of like the gift, right? Then you're looking for continuation. The retest, the next day even, that's not the same trade. That's not a buy anymore here at that support trend line. So please be cautious if it does start to trade sideways through it or even lower, right? So that's kind of the update to bring. The next thing to discuss here is, of course, the really low volume that we saw on today's trading session, and that's actually a good thing for the longs, right? If you think about, what's happening here, what's the dynamic of the trade, it's not like people are bailing in mass at this current price. As a matter of fact, it might just be some continued profit taking from this massive rally from in here. Maybe some people are still long from down around 4. It made this massive run up. They're sort of trimming some of the position, but they're not running for the exit sign in mass exodus as of right now, and volume is kind of confirming that. So as long as volume remains slightly smaller on this sideways break, if it does unfold that way, that's fine, right? And again, that's going to be a bullish thing, noting that aggressive sellers aren't really stepping in. It might just be some profit taking, and any uptick in volume, if it does happen to the upside up and over that 1120, that's going to lead to the next momentum play, in my opinion, to the upside. So please be patient here. Continue to sort of monitor this chart. The breakout, again, is over 1120, and being patient if it does start to drift lower on low volume. If it really starts picking up in volume and pulling back, right, it looks like more aggressive selling, I would be patient until this number here, which we discussed in yesterday's video at $7.50, give or take, right? Just noting that that's kind of where the breakout came from in the first place. That would be the next potential entry that I could see, right? You're not really fishing for this 9 anymore, given the fact that we're just hovering just above it, right? If we come into it, it's likely it breaks and we get back down into that next area of structure. So please be patient in ATER. That's the theme of today's video. And also just noting that we have decrease in selling volume, which is, of course, a good thing if you're looking for the second momentum play to the upside. So if you enjoyed the quick update, I know it wasn't a ton to talk about, but hopefully it was useful to you. Let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.